latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi yet again targeted the centre and said that coronavirus curve is frightening, not flattening. His remarks came after India recorded a highest single-day spike of COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to over 24 lakh.
If this is Prime Minister's most stable situation, then what would one call deteriorated situation?
The Congress leader further posted a graph of daily cases being recorded by the US, Brazil and India on his Twitter handle.
Corona curve, frightening, not flattening.
However, Centre has continued to maintain that India is in a much better position compared to the other countries with a high recovery rate. Even the Union Health Ministry stated that the case fatality rate has further declined to 1.96%. The COVID-19 recovery rate rose to 70.77% on Thursday, with the total number of patients recuperating from the disease reaching nearly 17 lakh. The case fatality rate has further declined to 1.96%. The Union Ministry further stated that the recovery rate has led to a decline in the actual caseload of the country. Record high recoveries have led to a decline in the actual caseload of the country, which is the number of active cases, and currently is only 27.27% of the total cases. At present, India has registered over 24 lakh COVID-19 cases. India currently has over 6 lakh active cases. According to the latest data from Johns Hopkins University, India has the highest count of COVID-19 cases in the world after US. The number of active cases in India has gone past the count in Brazil after that country showed a sharp drop in active COVID-19 cases. Brazil had the second highest number of active cases till a few days ago. On the other hand, daily COVID-19 tests are inching closer to the target of conducting 1 million tests per day. Several experts state that aggressive testing is necessary to control the COVID-19 outbreak in the country. To control the outbreak, aggressive testing is crucial. In this case, the number of COVID-19 cases diagnosed in the country is likely to see an increase before it starts seeing a dip, indicating that the spread is slowing. India is currently in the third position in the total number of cases after the US and Brazil.